816 kilometers. Let's go! McDonald's. Hash brown. Oh! What's that? Good morning, my baby. Uwi na tayo. That's it.
Quick diaper change for baby and then back to driving. After 450 kilometers of driving, we arrive here at Española, which is halfway from our campsite tonight. And here I am just doing a little pumping sesh before I go down.
This is our first stop. Kanina nag-stop kami sa McDonald's pero hindi naman talaga stop yun. Nag-drive-thru lang kami for breakfast. But this is our first stop. Hi, baby!
After
hello!
5 hours.
I love you! Meron kami nakitang store dun sa may rest stop. Wow. I got a small bike. So it's like a boutique. Oh my god. Babe, we got that on 140, babe. What did it?
Guys, tayo tayo.
Ang sarap! Babe ko. Buti na lang may washroom dito.
Boy tae.
What did you do?
Papalit po ang baby ng kanyang diaper.
He's holding it, look, oh my gosh. My big boy.
Oh my god, baby.
Bomba na naman po siya.
Bomba na po ang baby kong pogi. Yan. So, nagpalit lang siya. Mabilisan lang. Ayan o. Ito na siya kagubatan.
Let's go? Are you ready to go? You have enough stretching? Huh?
We are finally here in Agawa and few minutes away from our campsite, but we had to stop to get gas because the next station will be 150 kilometers from here.
Yung mga rest stops dito, ganito yung mga style nila, no? Is this real? Coyote. Oh my god. Wolf. Bili tayo ng ice cream. Just went for cookies and cream. Grabe yung fog.
After 900 kilometers, we're finally here at Superior Provincial Park. This is where we will be staying tonight. It's around 5 o'clock and we just did our quick setup. We intentionally planned to arrive around this hour rather than driving further because we want to set up while the sun is still out. And by the way, this campground is incredible. Coming from somebody who used to hate camping, this place made me fall in love with it.
Couldn't sleep because somebody was being fuzzy. And now he's asleep, but we are already like so awake. Day 2. Yan si baby. Tulog pa. Daddy, tulog pa din. I'm gonna go get ready. Magluluto na ako para meron kaming lunch and dinner for later. So cold. Somebody just woke up. Papa. Oh!
Uwian na po tayo mga kaibigan. Mga be, hindi masyadong maulan, diba?
We're here at the second campsite where we will be staying for tonight.
Ito yung campsite namin.
So, day 2 out of 4. 2 araw na lang. Harating na kami sa aming paroroonan.
Road trip pa mo.
Road trip pa more. Good night, guys!
Thank you.
How's your sleep? Ang taas ng energy. There we go. We're cooking tocino and rice. That's our breakfast, lunch, and dinner for today. Tocino.
Alright guys, let's go!
Big Walmart run. We're gonna get water
Yeah, bigyan ng tubig.
and diaper.
Diaper.
And we're gonna check if they're selling memory cards because we're running out of memory.
4 na oras na lang. Winnipeg na tayo. Winnipeg na tayo guys. Babe! Welcome to Manitoba! Anong ginagawa mo? Anong ginagawa mo? Okay na? Tapos na si baby?
Ready to go.
Okay, let's go.
Quick break because we're only 2 hours away from our campsite for today. And we are going to A&W.
Quick break muna kami. Si baby. Ano ginagawa?
Kinakain mo kami.
Okay guys. Atras tayo man.
Well, back then.
Sablay to boy. Paano ka naman magtatagal sa ganito? Kita mo? Puro black flies man. Okay yung dalawa namin yung site eh. Pagdating dito. Pababa pa lang namin. Dinumog na kami. Kawawa naman yung bata pag nagstay kami dito. So mag-hotel na lang kami.
Yeah, okay. Thankfully, meron pa kami nakitang hotel na may availability for today. Let's go, baby!
Ay, may paglarong baby. Ayun na. Ang mga tulog at biyahe ulit bukas. Day 4.
Guys, we are checking out from our hotel. It's already 8 o'clock in the morning. Baga kami nagising, I think like 7 in the morning. We already went out and eat our breakfast. And now we're ready to go. Daddy, let's go!
Ano?
Lunchtime! Ito kami kakain, Uncle Sunny. You wanna eat some pho? Yan yung food namin for today. Quick Starbucks run!
So, stop over muna kami. Yung lang naiwan ng baby Pogi. Can you say daddy? Daddy? 3 hours na lang. Papahinga na.
Morning, guys. Oh my goodness, that was a really good sleep. Kahapon hindi na kami nakapag-update sa inyo because we're so tired. Yan. Hi, baby. Ito nga pala yung pinagstayan namin. Alright. Done. Baby. Going out today, we're going to West Edmonton Mall. And actually, babe, it's the biggest mall in Canada, right? Or just in Alberta? Oh, in Canada. So, it's the biggest mall in Canada. It's one of the places na madalas pinupuntahan dito. And look, meron nakatingin sa akin habang nagpa-vlog. Hi! We're here. Sa parking pa lang, malaki na. So, I wonder kung gano'n pa kalaki yung mall sa loob. We are finally here!
Yes, we're in Calgary.
After
4,000
kilometers, we're finally here.
4,000 k na po tayo, ladies and gentlemen.
Yay! We're here in Calgary. Congratulations!